Are you rebuilding the same layouts over and over in Beaver Builder? If so, components are about to save you a lot of time. In this video, I'll explain what Beaver Builder components are, why they exist, and when you should use them. By the end, you'll know exactly whether components belong in your web design workflow. But first, what is a component? A component in Beaver Builder is a reusable layout where you control what parts of your design can be edited and what parts remain locked. Instead of rebuilding the same layout on every page, you build it once and reuse it across your site. But here's the key difference. You can still allow specific fields to be edited on individual pages without breaking the overall design. Before components existed, Beaver Builder had two main options for reusing content. First, we have saved templates. With templates, you're reusing layouts, but they're just copies. If something needs to change, you have to fix it everywhere manually. Then we have globals. Globals solve that problem by syncing everything. But that also means one change affects every page, whether you want it to or not. Let's take a look at an example of a hero section. You want the design to stay the same across multiple pages, same colors, same background image, same spacing, same button style, but maybe the headline changes or the button text and button link. It depends upon the page. That's exactly what components are designed for. The overall layout stays protected. The content stays flexible. How do you know when to use components? Use components when you want consistent layouts with flexible content. If you're building hero sections, pricing blocks, testimonials, or promotional banners that appear on multiple pages but need different content, components make sense. They're also ideal for client sites where you want to give someone editing control without letting them break your design. If this sounds useful, let's take a look at how they work. In the next video, I'll show you exactly how to create and use a component step by step. Go ahead and click the screen to keep watching. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more Beaver Builder tutorials, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.